So I made this cardigan. As you can see, it has a lot of spaces, quite a lot of holes, and I hate, if there's something I hate, it's sewing panels. So what I did on the shoulder, to connect the panels around the shoulders, is single crochets, because I did have the stitches to do that, and it worked fine. Now when I came to do the side panels, it just doesn't work, and I tried different methods, and this is what worked best for me. I'm sure that I have not invented anything new, but I really struggled with this, and I thought that I would share this with you. We will do the second panel together in a moment, but I just want to show you what I did. So I didn't start connecting from the very bottom, because I do want it a little bit open here. And what I did was decide, okay, where my hook is going to go, where my stitches are going to be placed. I decided that it's going to be in these holes, these little triangles. So I connected my thread in the first one, and I did a single crochet, and then I did another single crochet, and then I connected it to this one, this hole, with a single crochet. Then to move up to this hole, I just chained 3. These are the chain 3s, and I kept going like this. So let me show you with the second panel. We will do it together. My right side is facing up, I think, yes. Okay, so I already placed my stitch markers, more or less. This is where I want it. This is where I want it to end. So this is the little triangle hole, and I'm beginning with the fourth hole from here. So let's connect. Let me turn it around. Okay, like this. Okay, so I'm just going to connect however you like to connect your yarn. I just make a loop and connect it. So it's now connected, and I'm going to chain 1. Now I'm going to connect it to the other panel in the same place. It doesn't really matter where you want to connect them, as long as it's consistent on both sides. So single crochet into the other panel, and now they are connected. So now I want to go into the next hole, which is this one on this side, but in order to reach it, I calculated that I need 3 single crochets. So it's going to be different in every project. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going into the next space with a single crochet. I'm not taking my hook off and putting it back on like in some tutorials. Okay, so we did this one. Now to make the connection with the second panel, we're going to chain 1 and then make a single crochet here. Okay, in the hole, in the space that is parallel to that other panel. And this is how we're gonna just keep going. So you're gonna chain 3, single crochet in this one, chain 1, single crochet, and then we need to go up to this hole, so it's 3 chains, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet until you reach the very end, and then you just fasten off and weave in the ends. And this is how I'm going to show you again what it looks like. It has a nice, kind of fits in with the whole pattern, because you can see I have quite big holes, so it kind of fits. And that's it.